First, let's work on the pronunciation. The DR sounds like dr, as in the words drink, drive, and drone. The letter A has the A sound, like in cat or laugh, half, and after. Say the word with me. Draft. The first meaning of draft is a version of a document, plan, etc. that is in development. For example, this is the first draft of my paper. It means the paper is not yet final. It will be revised, but this is the first version, the first draft. Here's another example. Here's a draft of the design. Do you want to change anything? A second definition of the word draft is a current of air or wind coming into a closed area. You might hear people say a sentence like this when inside a room. There's a draft in here. Or, where's that draft coming from? Is there a window open? The word draft can also mean to select a person from a group to do some mandatory service, usually military service. For example, he was drafted into the Air Force. That means he was required to perform service or work in the Air Force, which is a branch of the military. In that sentence, drafted is a verb, but draft can also be a noun. For example, my country only has a draft